Hello classmates. This is V-Mate, your virtual classmate. I am a certified public accountant, registered cost accountant, certified accounting technician and certified management accountant. Plus I've been 8 years in my profession. Sounds qualified, right? I mean, my creator rather. Now, let me ask you these questions. Are you an accounting student who is struggling to understand financial accounting? Or are you currently working as an accountant and you've just decided to prepare for another battle of examination, such as CPA, CMA, ACCA and more? But having time constraint to read your books after an exhausting workday? Then, this video is for you. I'm uploading tutorial videos to simplify each topic of financial accounting from assets, liabilities to equity accounts with creative digital presentation, strategic approach and tips to make it more interesting for you. If you are interested to my channel, please subscribe and smash the notification bell next to it. Don't forget to like, comment and share.